Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a reminder on Google Calendar apps. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Calendar apps. If you wanna edit the reminder, you just tap on reminder that you want to edit. Maybe this one. So you just click on it and then click on pen icon at the top, this one. And if you wanna edit, you can edit the name of a reminder, photo shoot cloud. And after this, if you wanna reschedule, you just click on it to maybe to 9 and then click OK. And if you wanna close this one, you just click this one. And then after this, you can click save at the top and go back and finish. So that how to edit a reminder on Google Calendar apps. And I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy video content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.